Hello, hi. Today I want to show you guys something that is called fish spinner, and this looks like fish spinner, but this writing here, hand spinner. I want to show something. Here it is. Let's open it up. Wow, here is a fish spinner, but we call it hand spinner. So Iron Man, and you can play with it like this. That was really awesome. I love to have a fish spinner. My school, my friend has it. I don't have it. I don't know where to buy it. I just want it. Let's play with it. Let's play with it. Oh, whoa, sorry. Ooh. Oh yeah, children. Wow. Bye. See you guys next time. Bye. See you guys. Bye bye. Have a nice day.